Hello students, welcome to the EVS online class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is forest. Students, all of you know that forest is a large area of land covered with naturally growing herbs, shrubs and trees of various types. In this lesson, we are going to study about forests and different types of forest. An area with high density of trees is called a forest. A forest is a system which is composed of plants, animals and microorganisms. Forest is the habitat for a variety of living beings. Many plants, animals and microbes live in the forest. A forest is a highly complicated system. It is complicated because it contains innumerable types of microorganisms, insects, reptiles, mollusks, birds, and mammals, etc., living in association of innumerable types of plants and trees. All these organisms, it may be microorganisms, animals, plants, and trees in a forest, continuously interact with each other. All of them have to interact with environmental conditions like climate, soil, water also. A forest is a system because it can remain in a fixed and self-regulated condition. The type of plants and animals of a forest of a particular area greatly depend on different environmental conditions and factors of that area. Forests are very important component of our natural environment. It has been estimated that our country has 45,000 different types of plants and trees. Out of these 45,000, 5,000 types of plants and trees are found exclusively in India. These plants and trees are distributed in different types of forests spread in the whole country. In India, we have four major types of forests, and they are tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn and scarp forest, and tidal forest. Now, we will learn about each of these types one by one. So, first we will start with tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found on the rainy slopes of Western Ghat, plains of West Bengal and Orissa, and also in northeast India. Trees of these forests are usually very tall, reaching even up to the heights of 60 meters or even more. These are very dense forests comprising various types of grasses, bushes, other plants and trees. Some of the commercially important trees that grow in these forests are ebony, mahogany and rosewood. Tropical forests offer better facilities of food and shelter to various types of organisms, monkeys, bat, up to 70 to 80% of the types of insects, zebra, giraffe, anteaters, rhinoceros, and kangaroos are some animals found in these forests. Beside this, here we can see the large animals like tiger, elephant, etc. Now we will discuss about tropical deciduous forest. The tropical deciduous forest is found in tropical areas with a dry season that still has enough moisture for tree growth. Forests where a majority of the trees lose their foliage at the end of the typical growing season are known as deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are distributed all over our country. They are also known as monsoon forests. These forests are subdivided into two categories. They are moist tropical deciduous forest and dry tropical deciduous forest. Moist tropical deciduous forests are found on the eastern slope of the Western Ghat in Chotanagpur Plateau, East Madhya Pradesh, South Bihar, West Orissa, and Sibaliks in the north. Teak is the most important tree of the moist deciduous forest. Whereas dry tropical deciduous forests are commonly found in the place of Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, and in some parts of Jharkhand. Sal is the most important tree of this forest. The most important characteristic feature of trees of deciduous forests is that they shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks during summers. Now we will discuss about the third type of forest, that is thorn and scrub forest. These forests are spread over northwestern parts of India from Saurashtra to Punjab plains. In the east from northern Madhya Pradesh to southwest Uttar Pradesh. Date palm, babul, and kikar are some important trees of this forest. These forests are gradually changing into scrubs and thorny bushes. Hence, they appear similar to the vegetation of a desert. Now, we will discuss about the fourth type, that is the tidal forests. The tidal forests are distributed along the coastline of India. Sundarban of Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is a typical example of this type of forest. This forest principally contain mangrove vegetation. Frog, salamander, tortoise, lizard, snakes, and rabbits, besides large varieties of insects, are common animals of this forest. So children, today we have learned different types of forest. Now, here is some question for your home assignment. Question number 1 is, why is a forest considered to be highly complicated system? Next, which type of forest has very tall trees? And the last question is, to which type of forest do babul and kikar belong? So children, please write this answer in your EVS copy and submit your answer in the Google Classroom. Thank you children. Stay safe and happy.